Hello students, welcome to another video of calculation of goodwill using annuity method. So consider this problem. Inder Traders Delhi has earned sufficient profits after providing for taxation during the last 5 years as follows. Here are the 5 years profit is given in this problem. Then the capital employed in the firm is rupees 3,20,000, on which a reasonable rate of return of 10% expected. Calculate the value of the goodwill as per annuity of super profit method. Reference to annuity table indicates that annuity value of rupee 1 for 5 years at 10% is 2.5250 approximately. So with the help of this problem, first of all we have to understand what is annuity and what is annuity table. Annuity is an, we can say, amount which is invested by the investor, and on that amount he is getting a regular or periodical lump sum amount in return. So this is what the annuity, and annuity table which is used to find out what are the exact value of that particular investment in a certain period of time. ज्यावेळेस एखादी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट केली जाते आणि त्या इन्व्हेस्टमेंटचा पर्पज एक रेग्युलर पिरियॉडिक लमसम अमाऊंट मिळेल हा असतो, तर त्या लमसम अमाऊंटला कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी ॲन्युइटी टेबल हा तयार केला जातो. ॲन्युइटी टेबलमध्ये व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रुपी ही साधारण एखाद्या ठराविक पिरियड नंतर काय असेल ती प्रेडिक्ट केलेली असते किंवा ती दिलेली असते, आणि त्या माध्यमातून आपण एक अप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ रुपी या ठिकाणी काढत असतो. टाइम व्हॅल्यू ऑफ मनी हा कन्सेप्ट कदाचित तुम्ही ऐकला असेल. त्याच्यामध्ये एका रुपयाची जी काय व्हॅल्यू आहे ती सतत बदलत असते किंवा पुढे भविष्यामध्ये ती वाढणार असते. 1 रुपयाची जी व्हॅल्यू 10 वर्षापूर्वी होती ती आज राहणार नाही. त्याच पद्धतीने ती भविष्यामध्ये पण बदलत जाणार आहे. सो इट इज अ अप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू विच इज गिवन इन द ॲन्युइटी टेबल. 1 रुपयाची जी काय अप्रॉक्सिमेट व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे या ठिकाणी प्रॉब्लेममध्ये 2.5250, साधारण 2 रुपये 52 पैसे किंवा 53 पैसे इतकी व्हॅल्यू असणार आहे. त्यासाठी बेस काय पकडलाय तर रिजनेबल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न ऑफ 10%. So that is why here indicates that the annuity value of rupee 1 for 5 years 5 वर्षानंतर at 10%, which is reasonable rate of return expected, is 2.5250 approximately. So this is what the problem is. When the goodwill needs to calculate on the super profit method by using super profit method, at that time annuity is using for calculating proper rate of interest. So annuity method of super profit is based on the logic that the purchaser should pay for goodwill only the present value of super profit calculated at a proper rate of interest. गुडविल प्रॉपर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्टनी कॅल्क्युलेट केला जावा यासाठी ॲन्युइटी वापरलं जातं. सो हियर द सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लेम. First of all, we have to calculate average profit. So average profit, as usual, we are calculating average profit with the help of this formula. The total average profit is 35,460. Then the calculating by normal profit, so capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed and normal rate of return, these two figures are given in the problem. 3,20,000 into 10%, that is 32,000. Then we are calculating super profit by using average profit minus normal profit. So here we already calculated average profit, that is 35,460, minus normal profit, which is given here 32,000. So the total amount is 3,460. Then by using annuity of super profit method, we have to use this formula when we are calculating goodwill. So goodwill is equal to super profit into annuity value. Super profit जो इथे आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे 3046 रुपये. त्याच्यानंतर ही annuity व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये दिली आहे 2.5250. सो total is 7,691.15. It is the total valuation of the goodwill which is comes with the help of this annuity of super profit method. So here is with the help of this formula we are calculated the annuity super profit method with the help of the goodwill is calculated here 7,691.50. Thank you.